going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Literally got the worst timing for exploring today as we come to this gorgeous pub I've known about for years. There's a bowls game going on right next to it, so we got in pretty shifty. Don't think we were seen. Nonetheless, let's take you on. This part is literally pitch black, so we're gonna torch it. We ain't literally torching it. Torch, that's what we're doing. Gorgeous little pub it would have been at some point. Ladies' toilets. Like, I've known it being derelict for a number of years, and yeah, it's trash, but structurally it's quite sound. And that's the problem with these places: high business rates, breweries wanting money, they just can't afford to sustain it, especially on rural places like this. G2O. All bottles of red wine, only $11.95. Wye Valley Brewery as well. Some of my favourite brews, that's what they are. Is that 2017? I tell you what, this place has been derelict before that, I know. So unless someone was sleeping rough here, or owners still coming in from time to time. Gents' toilets. Do you want to look in the toilets? Never normally a good idea, is it? Trashed. Swing you back. Sorry guys, I don't want to shake it too much. There's nothing worse than motion sickness on a video. I literally wouldn't even believe this as well. Other side, the main road, but there's bloody traffic lights there. There's rows of cars there. Light-handed. Look at that, Nash Point Lighthouse. If you want to scroll through some of my videos, I've actually got a video up in that place. What's the chances of that, bro?
Oh yeah.
What's it like upstairs?
Private property, parking strictly for papers only. There's just 3 bedrooms upstairs.
The bedroom's up there, is it?
I saw it looks a lot bigger outside.
Surprising with these places.
Kind of tells you why it closed down, really.
Yeah. Bedrooms.
Well, there's 1 bedroom, oh no, 2, and a bathroom.
Little off. Look at that computer.
Oh,
Guessing I didn't leave that behind. Sad to see.
Joe, there's another room in here.
Well, bro, it's still on. The power's still on in here.
Is that?
Yeah, power's still on. Bathroom. Well, the meter's on anyway.
Yeah.
Let's go and see the other side where Kurt was. Canvases. Left the flip-flops
Old
behind.
school typewriter or something.
Yeah, some weird pictures, man. Not my style. Flag. Here we go, kitchen area to investigate, and I think that's a wrap in here, boys and girls. Yeah, we've done some pubs together, mind, haven't we?
Yeah.
Over the years.
I always wondered what this one's like.
Right. The old Dragon Cider. Bet you're not even lying when I say about the bowls. And barrel storage. Condiments, Fosters, salad creams. Literally just as I left it one day.
Service is so trash, even on the main road. It shows
It is.
people have got no feel these days.
I wonder if the bar. Oh, they left the barrels full. What? I can't even. That barrel is full. I'm not even joking. Guinness. Why would you leave full barrels here? I don't get it. Right, boys and girls. thermometer. Literally, I'm gonna wrap it there. That's the pub explore. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Boss out.